Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to create a new project called number guessing game. So in this project all we have to do is just we guess the number from 1 to 100 that the machine thought of. So it will just think of it randomly. So we write import random. Yep. Next we have to write number equals random dot rand int random integer in brackets write 1 to 100. Okay, next we do is just write guess equals none. Yes, because we have not guessed anything yet. So, okay, while guess is equal to number colon, then we have to guess equals int input guess from 1 to 100. Yep. And then we write an if statement. If guess then number, and then we have to print too low, and then we write else if guess is bigger than number, then colon, and we write print too high, and then we write an else, and we write print you got it. So now let's save it up and run. It will be, I think, 34 too low, 56 too low, 77 too low, 88 too low, 99 too high, 94 93 92 89 90. You got it. So okay guys, this was all for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.